Hello everyone, this is Cam. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Apple computer. So it's going to be the same process for the MacBook Pro and iMacs and all the other Apple computers there. So let's get into it. Okay, so all you need to do is just press and hold the command button and the R button together and turn the computer on. So you should not let them go until you see the Apple logo and the loading bar. So as you can see, the Apple logo and the loading bar is there. So I'm just gonna let that 2 button go and just wait for it to load, and it will take us to the boot screen. So from here, all you need to do, just go to disk utility, press continue. And here you will see all the hard drives that you have connected. So you need to go to internal, the top one right there, click the hard drive. So you might have different hard drives connected to your computer, more than one, probably 2 hard drives. So you just need to click the hard drive that you want to install the operating system to. So just click that and click erase. So keep everything as it is, unless if you want to do it, make it encrypted or something. So just keep it normal, the first option, erase everything. You can click show details to see what's actually going on in here. So it's basically unmounting the disk, erasing it, then mounting it back again, and that's it, done, operation successful. Okay, so you just need to close that tab and go ahead and install or reinstall the macOS. If you have an older version of a Mac, just wanted to remind you, you might have faced a common problem in installing the Mac. Basically what happens is when you click it, try to continue it, you'll keep asking you to download and restore macOS. Your computer's eligibility will be verified with Apple. When you click continue, nothing happens. When you click that one pops up again. So problem with that one is your Wi-Fi is not connected. So just go to the corner of the screen, click the Wi-Fi icon, the faded Wi-Fi icon, and connect with your Wi-Fi. Just put the password in, and as soon as you click continue, you should be able to carry on. Alright, so I'm all connected now. As you can see, it's working now because I'm now connected to the internet. That's it. You just need to accept the terms and condition and carry on with the setup. So basically this is the disk drive that you have formatted earlier. So select that and click install. So to install the Mac OS, it might take quite a long time depending on your hard drive. If you've got a SSD hard drive, it's going to be very quick, but the normal hard drive takes a few minutes. So after downloading the Mac OS, your computer will carry on installing it. So to download it takes about 5 minutes. To install the operating system, it takes about 15 minutes. So depending on the performance or the speed of your computer. So make sure don't turn it off manually, just leave it as it is, let it do all by itself. So after the installation, it will restart again and just wait for it to load up. Okay, so you just need to choose the language and everything. The keyboard obviously is going to be British because we're from UK, so yes, and obviously the password for the Wi-Fi. It's connecting now. And obviously if you don't want to transfer your information, just put it as don't transfer now. You can do it from a computer or from other devices, so just do that. Location service is entirely up to you to keep it on or off, and also you can just sign up your Apple ID, but you can always do that later. It's entirely up to you. Agree to all the terms and conditions there, agree, and then obviously set up your name and stuff like that, and go ahead with the password and all sort of thing. Once you have chosen your password and everything, just select set time zone automatically. using the location service. Click continue, and you can share or don't share, it's entirely up to you. Enable Siri, it's entirely up to you. Like I said, all done. So as you can see, it's all been done. The fresh new Mac OS has been installed on this computer, so you're good to go. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and make sure don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a new video, because I do upload this kind of helpful videos every week. So I will see you on the next one.